Alright guys, I got another video for you. So what we're going to be doing today is logging into TechSmart. I don't really know how much I will be able to help you with doing this, but I'm going to show you what I want you to do. So under the Getting Started tab, you will find the address for TechSmart and the login code, RTLC. This is the one for my first period video game programming class. The other day I made a video that shows how to add your bookmarks. So you should have this nice folder here, and you click the TechSmart platform. I think you can just log in with your BISD account, and then you will put in this code and log into my class. I don't really know what it looks like from the student side very well, but I do know those are the two things you're going to need to log in and get signed up to TechSmart. Once you get signed up to TechSmart, here, let me log into mine on my... This is going to be the teacher side. I guess I can look at it from a student side. Let's see what it looks like here. Alright, so here's mine. And then at the top, I think you have a button that says Add Class, and then you can, like, let's see if I can view it from a student. Oops, this is, like I said, this is teacher stuff, so let's look at it from a student. View as a student. There we go. Alright, so you're going to have something that looks like this. And I have a bunch of programming classes, but if you're going to join a class, you'd probably just have a plus sign. You're going to click the plus sign, and then it wants you to put in the join code, and that's where you would put in this code right there, and that will let you join the class. And then after you join the class, you can click into the class, and then you can check what we're doing for that day. It shows that you're doing something on Thursday. I haven't really moved all the stuff all around, but I just want you to get logged in. Probably just get me a screenshot of something that shows that you're logged in, and I'll accept that for your grade. That should be it. One other thing you guys might want to know how to do is how to take an actual screenshot. I like to use the snipping tool. You can find that by doing search and typing snip. Using the snipping tool, looks like that, and you just click new, and then you can highlight the parts that you want to take a picture of. Alright, should be a pretty short one for today. We'll get more into some other stuff later, but that's all I need you to do. Sign into your TechSmart, register for my class, and take a screenshot showing me you did it. Have a great day.